Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Today I will compare two different earbuds. Design. Weight. Case weight. Has stereo speakers. Sweat resistance. Wingtips included. Water resistant. Release date. Sound. Lowest frequency. Highest frequency. Has passive noise reduction. Microphone. Number of microphones. Has a noise-canceling microphone. Battery. Battery life. Battery life of charging case. Charging port. Has a battery level indicator. Has a rechargeable battery. Has wireless charging. Connectivity. Bluetooth version. Maximum Bluetooth range. Can be used wirelessly. More. Support fast charging. Has voice prompts. Has a mute function. Price. Show.